Meaning of grassy.
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 Grassy. The word grassy is an adjective that describes something that is covered in grass or has the characteristics of grass. It can be used to describe various things such as a meadow, a lawn, or even a flavor in food or drink. The word gives a sense of freshness, naturalness, and can evoke images of green fields and open spaces. Overall, when something is described as grassy, it typically means it is associated with the outdoors and nature, and possesses a certain level of purity and simplicity.